Pre-market summary for Indian stock market. NIFTY 50 Index futures trading on the Singapore Stock Exchange suggest that the Nifty could fall 105 points at the opening bell. The Reserve Bank of India, RBI, began its bi-monthly policy review yesterday with a meeting of the Monetary Policy Committee, MPC. The bi-monthly policy review is scheduled to be released on December 7, 2022. Domestic investors will pay close attention to the RBI's commentary as it speeds up its attempts to reduce inflation and boost GDP. On the political front, multiple exit polls released on Monday forecast a large majority for the BJP in Gujarat and a dead heat in Himachal Pradesh, where most pollsters gave the ruling party a lead over the Congress. The votes in both states will be counted on December 8. Himachal Pradesh assembly elections were held on November 12, while Gujarat elections were held in two phases on December 1 and 5. Asian stocks are trading lower on Tuesday as Wall Street sold off overnight on concerns that the Fed would continue to raise interest rates. Meanwhile, the mayor of Beijing announced that negative COVID tests will no longer be necessary for entry into most public locations, malls, or residential areas, as well as bars and so-called KTV lounges, or karaoke bars. Several Chinese cities have recently eased COVID testing regulations. On Monday, U.S. markets slumped on expectations that the Federal Reserve will continue to tighten policy until the economy enters a recession. Tesla shares fell on rumors of a Chinese production curtailment. Activity in the U.S. services industry surprisingly increased in November. The ISM said that its non-manufacturing PMI rose to 56.5 in November from 54.4 in October, the lowest number since May 2020. Domestic equities benchmark indices were nearly flat on Monday, mirroring mixed global cues. The S&P, BSE Sensex, the barometer index, lost 33.9 points, or 0.05%, to 62,834.60. The Nifty 50 rose 4.95 points, or 0.03%, to 18,701.05. Foreign portfolio investors, FPIs, sold shares worth 1,139.07 crore on 5 December, while domestic institutional investors, DIEs, were net purchases worth 2,607.98 crore, according to preliminary data. Follow us, information is wealth.